Hints to grabbing the power chord. This is the correct power chord shape. The tip of your index finger on the thickest string and the tip of your ring finger on the second thickest string, but 2 frets up. So if your index finger is on fret 5, your ring finger goes on fret 7, which is 2 frets up. This shape can feel a bit uncomfortable the first couple of times, so one hint is to start with one of your fingers in the correct position and then add the other. Some feel that it's easier to first add the index finger and then add the ring finger, while others find it easier to first add the ring finger in the correct position and then add the index finger. You should try both ways and see which you prefer. In the beginning, it can be hard to reach fret 5 and 7, but with some practice, it'll get easier. Make sure your hand comes down like this so that you can reach the frets easier. When you strum the power chord, you should only play the 2 thickest strings, which are the ones you're fretting. Now, rock on.